And some from Monomede Wire quite if you pray mantam no emo, Casina Nankana mensene no emo. Naba Francis, I win a parigiga and now 4 hour decline, or hene ewo Pongbisi divisional area, and no ewo Mirigu traditional area, no penny dia distrade ato His Excellency, any abamuni in him so was wada, one brambe womboa, and on a set, Nemrantian and Baba 1 to quindodo. Ebi tu kwan a dwumedia wodi won ho kwahye mu no enya ne eswani ne sasunti na wo stress vocational training center won besi bi e wo ho no mo emfa ma won emfa mo mrantie ne mbaba wa no atenase
Diebe ne mabawa ene mranti a wono ewo Pongbisi ye no ewo etifi epoye mantam no emu ebenya dwuma ayenti enamso mo hempon ya wo no mu eye Naba Francis awini parigiga anafo ya wodikan ede adesrede akọ ede amaban no ese obesre se aban no emra no mesi eye vocational training center ibin fama so de be ya enu ni betimi abwana mabawa ne mranti a wono ewo Pongbisi wono so enya bibina wode wonsa yesanse ene wuhwe galamse a atiatese wo man emu amabunu no de wo ho agimani nyina no egina ensa nenuma wonu mu eninti no wo kire se ade ba kwa wonu mu didi dwuma ye pa wo hono mu eya de pam ene adenwene enu nti akoba ne saban no ebesi vocational training center ibi de ma wo mu a enu ne beboa ye pa na wona wonim dede fa sa ne ma ne ho no oba be kire mabuna wonu mu ewo Pongbisi kroduan emu ne no atimi aboa ma wo mu so enya bibi ede wonsa aye ensem sei ena Naba Francis awini giga anafo ya wudikan editor kantanka kwansem enim.
When we look at ourselves, we find out that we don't have anything like mineral, we don't have anything that can generate income for us. So we look around and we said, okay, God has given us sense, brain, and hands. We can use our brains to create something. Use our hands to create something for ourselves, creativity, so we can survive. So we decided to look into weaving so that the women group, the youth, the vulnerable can create something for themselves. And so doing that, we need to get some shelter that we can sit under. And getting shelter is something that we have to squeeze ourselves and get shelter for ourselves so we can develop that initiative we are thinking of. So what we need is a vocational training center that we can sit under and do this our handwork. And so we organized this last year and we were able to scale some cement, some materials, but we could not start. And so today we are organizing it again, calling for the general public to come to our support, to come and help us to develop this initiative. And so our youth, they are here as well, very ready and willing to do this handwork. Our women's group are here, very ready and willing to do this job. And so we are calling, as I said, for the general public to support us to achieve this our dream.